Hello guys, I'm Harry Chris to tell you in this tutorial how to fix any iPhones that is not connecting with any iDevice mobile management tools. Either it is an iTunes, 3U tool or imaging PC. When we connect the data cable, we can see here it's not going to connect. So in that conditions, how do I fix it? And if it is going in a especially connecting device, please wait. So how do you fix it quickly these ones? Now see, this is a device especially here that we would like to connect. So here is a shine. We can see this that data cable has been connected, but this is not signing. If we disconnect this one, see, now it has been disconnected, and see here when we connect, after connecting, it's showing that device connecting, please wait. When we go for an administration, iTunes is also not connecting, guys. So how do I fix it, guys? Let's see. If I open iTunes is also giving so this kind of error message. So if you are having this kind of errors, and then how do you fix it? We will see here live. Right now, see, it's not going to connect here. So of course we will cut it from here and we'll go for fix it. So we will have to come in the toolbox, guys. In toolbox here is a iTunes utility. Of course we will come in a driver repair, and we need see all are okay, but however we will go for repair it. So it has started to download, and within especially 1 to 2 minutes it will take, and it will repair off, and their phone, of course, it will be connected. So let's see, we will see live here. Almost we have done here. Yes, so waiting for it. It's repairing, guys. We will have to wait here. Further, we need kind of the query, of course, related to our iOS as well as special elements. Zimmer recovery suppose, of course, you can raise the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to reply your query. So almost we have done, guys, here. Now see, it's uninstalling. It happens due to especially Apple mobile device supports. There is a bug due to that, and maybe especially yes, Apple device mobile management is not a proper installed. In that condition also is happening. So we are waiting here. Let's wait here. Of course we will have to here wait. It's repairing, guys, here, so we will have to wait. Now almost see here fines. Now the only ones, one is remain that Apple mobile device services. Let it complete firstly, then we will see. Still it's installing, guys. Now completed fines. Now we will go for here. Click on uninstall unwanted, and of course old driver. Maybe bug is the inside of that, and that's why actually I'm trying to terminate or wipe out or uninstall permanently from this PC. So the files now I have installed, and almost to see still it's uninstalling, but here we can see that still device is uninstalling, especially driver is uninstalling, so we'll have to wait. Now successfully uninstalled. Now what we will do here, guys, we will now cut it from here, and once again we will disconnect and we will try to connect it. Now of course let's see. Now here is asking the trust files. We will go for trust here, so we will have to here. Now see here. Now this device has been connected finally. Now similarly, if I close this and let me close. When we go for an administration, that is iTunes is accessing data or not. Let's check it out. Yes, fines. Here is a symbol of this device in the cam here. So finally this is also cam here, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials. How to like this tutorials, how to fix either it is the MacBook, either it is especially Windows, laptop, PC. You can do a similar status and you can fix it. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. I would like this tutorial. Don't forget, leave the comment and feedbacks below the comment box. Please would you manage to reply everyone's. Thank you very much indeed.